guys, and we are in the name of Soy Speed. Introduce yourself. Say hi, buddy. Hi. Dun, 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 dun. And after to the last video, I will buy Nerf one, and I buy it. Look. Look. Wow. That's the universe war. Wait, guys, I'm back. Okay. And we just need to open it. Okay. Now we open it. Let's test it first. Oh, that's that. We just need to open this one. Don't mind them. We are talking. Okay. Let's test it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it sticks on the screen. You got it now. Okay, you can borrow it. Okay. Video and hit the icon button. Wait, if you still doesn't know how to Nerf, hit that like button. Let's go! Let's go! Look, guys. If you still doesn't know how to Nerf, hit that like button. Let's go! And we're done.